Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today we have another new pontoon that just came in. This is the Harris Sunliner 230, and it's actually a special one. It's called the 230 Sport. So the Sport does include the tower. So we'll go over all this. This is a tri-tune. It does have the upgraded tunes to it. They're 25-inch tubes, but used for a little bit more of the rough water. So really nice boat that way. We got the nice dock lighting, and we did just the classic nice black that goes all the way up and down. So 23 foot in length. As we come to the back, we do have some nice space back here to hang out, swim. We have the ski tow bar that we added here. So we have the Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower. So it gives you plenty of power to do wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, whatever you want to do. So let's go into the interior and take a look at the rest of it. All right, welcome to the interior of the pontoon. So a couple things. First of all is the nice big lounger system we got back here. Plenty of space, cooler underneath this seat right here, so you can throw some ice in there. It's got a nice drain. You got plenty of cup holders on this side. You have a USB to plug in your phones or whatever you want. You've got some awesome storage down in here, fit a bunch of different things. Something new that they did this year was the fender holder. So if you got a couple of fenders, it's either on both sides, you can pop those in there. It's a nice spot for them. This is the single lounger option. So right now it is obviously facing forward. This does move, so you just lift it up. And it can sit this way, so if you want to sit backwards while you're driving, you can. And then it actually has one more where you can lay it all the way down. And as we come into the boat, like I said, this is the sport version, so this is the tower. It does come with the integrated bimini, and it obviously you can see that it is out right now. You can put it back together and have it attached to the tower. The tower does come down. There's you unscrew it here and on that side, and then it hinges down. This is single lounger with dual Helm seats. Both these seats got the nice high backs to them. They've got armrests that pop up and down. They'll go forward and back, they spin, and then actually the driver's seat does go up and down as well. So if you have somebody in front of you, you can get a little bit higher. They redid the helm area for 2021. We did add the Simrad System. So this is a Go 5 Simrad System, touch screen, can take care of everything that you need. Like I said, this is a 200, so 200 gets what we call DTS, so digital throttle. Super simple, nice and smooth operation. You got some redundant controls down in here as well. This particular one we upgraded to the JL head unit with the Fusion speaker system. You've got the wireless charger up here at the helm as well. You've got a couple different plugins with a USB and a 12 volt as well. So there is some storage underneath here, a door on that side. You got plenty of space. You can put a table there, a table in the back, whatever you want to do. We have some space in the front for lounging out. You've got armrests on both sides, and then on both sides as well, I've got storage underneath both the seats, and they're all on hinges. I got cup holders over here and over there, a removable cup holder, and then also in there they added this year are USB plug-ins, so you can plug in the front as well. Again, 230 Sunliner Sport, so you get the tower with it, 200 horsepower, plenty of storage, plenty of space to bring all your friends. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers. We're going to have this pontoon here. You can call us to set up an appointment if you'd like. Otherwise, always click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.